I am Professor Nnanyelu Okoro, a Professor of Mass Communication, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I teach advertising, I teach public relations, and I teach what we call representational communications. I'm the current Dean, Faculty of Arts, University of Nigeria. Mass comm, of course, is a very wide area, and I think that is what informed NUC's decision. National University Commission, National Universities Commission's decision to unbundle it because the way it is actually so omnibus. Now the mass communication as a field of study has been unbundled into 7 areas, with each area representing a department. So you have journalism and media studies, you have public relations, you have advertising, you have broadcasting, you have film and multimedia studies, and you have development communication studies, and then information and media studies. Like we all know, communication rules the world, and we actually say in communication that life itself is a manifesto of communications in every dimension. I believe that by unbundling this massive area, it will now be easier for students to actually go deeper into each area and then specializing and coming up with very professional experience about each area. So I think that's the beauty of unbundling, and it's going to take up from next session, and we are going to be having Faculty of Communication or School of Communication or College of Communication instead of mass communication as just a global area. So that is all there is to it. The area where I specialize, that is advertising, seems to be a crystallization of all communications, because actually that is like a signpost that carries other areas of communication, and because of the level of challenge that is involved in producing communication that works, that seems to be an area that gets the brain very much tasked, because you have to come up with something that will actually convince your consumer that the product you're trying to sell is working. Not just product, it could be a candidate, it could be a movement, it could be an idea, it could be anything that worth selling can be sold by advertising, which is the centerpiece of communication.